2019 BMW S1000R, going to be removing the front turn signals and going to be swapping them with flush turn signals, LEDs. We have a brown and a blue new wiring, and I'm just going to go ahead and check which one is the turn signal and which one is the negative. And I'm going to be using the original plug, so it should be a little bit easier that way. We're going to be using this. Remove the original bolt and nut from the plastic. We will not be using this anymore. And this is what it's going to look like. Go ahead and tighten up the nut here. And then we're going to strip some of the wire here. Rip original bulb here, but it should be okay. Wiring for the right front turn signal on the bike, brown and blue. So for my turn signal, aftermarket, the black is a negative to the bike's brown, and the turn signal yellow is to the bike's blue, which is a turn signal. That is the wiring for the 2019 BMW S1000R. The wiring all shrink wrapped. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put everything back together here. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a bigger tool to get rid of the extra housing. Okay, there we go. Now let's try to see if this is going to give us enough space. Let's go ahead and turn the bike on and see if we can tell the difference. Flush turn signal on the bike's right side. Stock turn signal on the left side. Turn signal on the left side, OEM stock. Turn signal on the right side. And this is the left side.